Now we will talk about the birth and development of extreme revolutionary movements. Revolutionary means it's a political movement to bring about change, but usually it is in a violent form. Violent એટલે બંદૂક તોપ બમ એ બધું બોમ્બ એ બધું મારીને એ લોકો ચેન્જ માંગતા હોય. ઓકે, સો ઇટ ઇઝ યુઝ્યુઅલી વેરી વેરી વાયલન્ટ. That is why it's called extreme. Extreme એટલે બહુ વધારે પડતું. Okay, very very harsh, very very hard movements. So these were some of the movements that happened in India, okay, which were very extreme, which were very revolutionary, wherein lot of people, lot of Indians killed Britishers, lot of bombs were thrown on Britishers. Okay, you know, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, all these people are revolutionaries. The revolutionary activity in India was started by Vasudev Balwant Phadke. This is the fellow. So the first revolutionary activity, the first violent action taken against the Britishers in India was by Vasudev Balwant Phadke. Revolutionaries like Damodar Chaplekar and Balakrishna Chaplekar brothers, Veer Savarkar, Badrinath Ghosh, Khundiram Ghosh, Bhagat Singh, Shivram Rajguru, Sukhdev, Batukeshwar Dutt, Rohan Singh, etc. carried out the torch of nationalism. Okay, so all these people, okay, they believed in strong nationalism. Nationalism is what? Love for one's own country. કે ભાઈ હું મારા country માટે મારું જાન, મારી ખૂન, મારું લહુ બધું બહાવી દઈશ. So these were the people who believed in nationalism and who wanted free India. Youth trained in making and using weapons were a constant threat to English government. The English government were obviously scared of such youths, okay, or such young people who started taking weapons, who started making weapons, who started attacking Britishers. Fears એટલે angry. Okay, revolutionary movements began in India and spread in other countries as well. So they were said that this form of nationalism, okay, or this form of revolutionary movement to bring about change in India, to remove Britishers out from India, was not only in India but it started in other countries as well. Other countries એટલે maybe દુનિયાના અલગ અલગ કોર્નર્સમાં જ્યાં ઇન્ડિયન્સ હતા એ લોકોએ તે એ વસ્તુ પોતાની જગ્યાએ કરવા માંડ્યા, demanding for freedom of India. The circumstances in its background were the cancellation of the partition of Bengal. Because of these revolutionary movements, because of the strong action taken by these Indians against the British, what happened was partition of Bengal got cancelled. Okay, the partition of two groups, that is Jahal radicals and Mawal moderates at Congress conference in Surat 1907 are a terrific opposition to practice of Congress of making only resolution and request. Now what happened was કે પેલા જે કોંગ્રેસ હતી, remember the first political party to come in India was Congress. So જ્યારે કોંગ્રેસ હતી ઇન્ડિયામાં ત્યારે એ લોકો શું કરતા કે બ્રિટિશર્સને પોતાની ડિમાન્ડ્સ મનાવવામાં, પોતાની વિશિસ જાણવા માટે એ લોકો લેટર્સ લખતા, એ લોકો રિક્વેસ્ટ કરતા બ્રિટિશર્સને કે યુ નો આ પ્રોબ્લેમ છે, પ્લીઝ આપ સોલ્વ કરી શકશો, પ્લીઝ હું આપને બહુ રિક્વેસ્ટ કરું છું કે આપ આ પ્રોબ્લેમ મારી સોલ્વ કરી દો. અને બ્રિટિશર્સ શું કરતા, એ લેટર કોઈ વાર વાંચતા નહીં, કોઈક વાર એ લેટરને આમ ચોડીને ડસ્ટબિનમાં નાખી દેતા, એન્ડ they did not care. But when Congress conference happened in Surat 1907, Congress got divided into two groups. Okay, radicals એટલે એવા લોકો જે એક્સ્ટ્રીમ મેજર્સ લેવામાં માંગતા હતા. એક્સ્ટ્રીમ એટલે કે ભાઈ આપણે બ્રિટિશર્સને રિક્વેસ્ટ ન કરવી જોઈએ કે પ્લીઝ કરી દો, આપણે બ્રિટિશર્સને ધમકાવવા જોઈએ કે અગર તમે આ નહીં કરો તો અમે આ કરશું. અગર આપણે બ્રિટિશર્સને નહીં બીવડાવીએ તો એ લોકો આપણી ડિમાન્ડ્સ નથી માનવાના, આપણે ક્યાં સુધી રિક્વેસ્ટ કરશું. અને મોડરેટ્સ વર ધોઝ પીપલ હુ સ્ટીલ બિલીવ્ડ કે ના આપણે વસ્તુ શાંતિથી કરવી જોઈએ, લેટર્સ લખવા જોઈએ, આ કરવા જોઈએ, તે જ કરવું જોઈએ. ઓકે, સો કોંગ્રેસ કોન્ફરન્સમાં ધ ટુ ગ્રુપ્સ વર ડિવાઇડેડ, દેટ ઇઝ radicals who believed in taking extreme actions against the Britishers, who said ki we should bluntly go to the Britishers and say, okay, this is our demands, fulfill it or this action will be taken. Okay, and the moderates who believed कि no, we should not do that, rather we should write letters, we should write resolution, we should request them. Resolution એટલે આપણે આ કરવું જોઈએ, suggestions and all those things. Lal Bal Pal, okay, our sir used to call it BPL, okay, Bal Lal Pal, the trio એટલે 3 જણા adopted the radical attitude which brought a new life in young Indian activists. So Lal Bahadur Shastri, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, okay, and Bipin Chandra Pal, that is how the name Lal, Bal and Pal came. These 3 people, they started adopting or they started using radical attitude. Radical attitude એટલે extreme attitude towards the British, telling the Britishers that if you don't fulfill our demands, we are going to take strict actions. So when the young Indians saw कि we have such people in India, the young Indians who were college going students, who were still young, still fresh, they started getting interested in freeing India from the Britishers. These 3 people became the hope to the young Indians who were there. The lethargic policy of Indian National Congress now took a solid turn. Lethargic એટલે lazy. Okay, lazy policy of Indian National Congress of writing a resolution, of requesting Britishers, it took overturn. Okay, people started believing in Lal, Bal and Pal. Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak declared it firmly, freedom is my birthright and I will achieve it anyhow. So Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak, okay, he said that freedom is something which I am born with and I will do anything to get it. This became the maximum for revolutionary fighters. Maximum એટલે this became like a big slogan. It became a big inspiring power for all the freedom fighters who were revolutionary. At that time, a group of Indian youth undertook activities to seek freedom from foreign rule. These extreme revolutionaries were more often happy to sacrifice their lives for their motherland. They could give up their lives or take lives in order to attain freedom. So what happened is that Indian youth or Indian youngsters, okay, they started doing activities that were against, they started doing activities in order to free India from foreign rule. Okay, they started throwing bombs, they started robbing trains, they started killing the Britishers. अगर Britisher रोड ऊपर थी जाता हो तो इन्हें बंदूक थी मारी नाखे. Okay, and they said that we do not care that if we die in the process, अगर हमने फांसी लागी जाए, हमने मारी जावामा आवे, तो we do not care to give up our life for the motherland, that is India, and we do not mind taking as many lives as we can to attain freedom. એટલે कि that they did not care that they have to kill Britishers to get freedom, but they went ahead and they did it. Revolutionary activities spread in Maharashtra, Bengal, Punjab, Bihar, Orissa, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madras, Uttar Pradesh and Central India. આ બધી જગ્યાએ revolutionary activities took place. Among the activities were some were Mitra Mela Society, Abhinav Bharat Samaj, Anushilon Samiti, Anjumela Mulla Watan, Indian Patriotic Association, later Bharat Mata, etc., and thus gave the impetus to religious activities. So obviously at that point of time there were many groups, okay, who came into being, who came into existence to fight against the British. Like you had Mitra Mela, all these are groups, okay, they were organizations or the groups that believed in killing Britishers, that believed in revolutionary movements, okay, and they played a very major role in conducting lots of revolutionary activities across India, okay. So all these were the groups that were formed. Remember Mitra Mela, Abhinav Bharat Samaj, okay, and remember Indian Patriotic Association, okay. In the first stage, newspapers and magazines like Yugantar, Navshakti, Vande Mataram, Kesari and Maratha. Remember only Vande Mataram, Kesari and Maratha, okay, gave constant strength to activities. So what happened ki, obviously remember one thing, newspaper was the only way news could travel at that point of time, because people did not have cell phones, people did not have television. બેંગોલમાં શું થાય છે, મહારાષ્ટ્રમાં શું થાય છે, ગુજરાતમાં શું થાય છે, how would people come to know? Through newspapers. So all these newspapers, they wrote constantly about these activities કે ભાઈ આવી activity conduct થાય છે, આવું બધું થાય છે, આ થાય છે, તે થાય છે. So what happened is that the revolutionary movement got lot of strength. Because let's say when I read about such things in newspaper, I feel proud, right? Here we as Indians did this, we as Indians did this against the British. So even I will be inspired to do something similar in Gujarat. Okay, maybe someone else would be inspired to do something similar in Maharashtra. So like that, the strength to these activities were given. About 34 revolutionaries were prosecuted in Alipur massacre. Okay, about 34